To meet the demanding of a modern industry for high power and high reliability applications, we proudly to introduce you 200 amperes high current industrial plug and sockets. First, I would like to introduce the plug. This is a PC cap for the dust proof, and there are 5 cores, copper with silver. It's very good for the conductivity, and these parts are made of aluminum die casting. And at the back of this plug, you can see PC parts. No matter the socket and the plug are IP67. And please have a look at the sockets. This part also the aluminum. And this is standard iron, plain with gray color. Later, I'm gonna show you how to connect each iron. They are all got the UL certification. The application ideal for the new charging application, AI data center, and the welding equipment, and pole machinery and industry equipment for the high currents. If you are interested in our high current industrial plugs and sockets, please share your idea with us. We have a team to back up and talk with you.